Sora 2 is the most powerful AI video generation model in the world, and people are using it to make videos like this.
Hey, listen, I paid for the breadsticks, all right? It's just the wings. They were sitting there.
Sir, you were told to leave and you walked out with a tray. That's why you're being detained.
It was what, 8 pieces? Come on, you guys ever been hungry? Keep facing the car. We're going to put you in.
It's kind of like handing a magic genie lamp to people and all they wish for are sandwiches, or giving the Iron Man suit to a toddler. Yes, these videos are great, but nobody is talking about how to make money with Sora 2. And in this video, I break down step by step exactly how to do that. And at the end of the video, I have a huge announcement, so definitely stick around for that. So if you're ready, hit the like button and let's get into it. Here's the golden opportunity to make money with Sora 2 today. Just in the United States alone, there are 50 to 100,000 small to medium-sized soap and candle businesses. Just in the United States alone. That's not even mentioning how many sellers are on Etsy. 50 to 150,000 soap and candle sellers combined. These are small to medium-sized soap and candle businesses that are looking for people like you to make high-quality cinematic ads, commercials, and videos for them. Worldwide, there's 200 to 500,000 artisanal soap and candle shops. Guys, if we're targeting the United States, there are so many businesses that we can work with. It's crazy to think about. So here's how we make money with Sora 2 and homemade soap and candle businesses. Businesses like this, artisanal businesses, heavily rely on visuals. Now, what do I mean by that? Yes, there's people walking into their physical stores. There's people shopping at their Etsy stores online. But if you don't have a good visual like this, if you don't have a good picture, if you don't have good video, if you don't make people feel the feeling that they want to feel before they buy your soap, they're not going to buy it. This goes with any product. People are not buying your soap. They're buying the feeling that the soap is going to give them. They're buying the feeling that they're going to feel when they're relaxing in the bathtub with your soap right next to them. They're buying the feeling that the lavender here is going to make them feel when they purchase your soap product. The same thing with anything, the same thing with a house, the same thing with real estate, the same thing with a car. People don't buy cars because it's a car. They buy the car because it's the feeling that the car gives them. This is how business works. It's a psychological principle that's so powerful. So, soap and candle businesses like these heavily rely on their visuals. And if their social media and their website and whatever platform they use to display visuals has engaging videos and engaging pictures like this, they make more sales. When they make more sales, you get paid more. When you get paid more, it's a win-win for everyone. So let me show you exactly how to do this. So how exactly do we sell to these businesses? How much do we ask? What's the whole flow of the business structure? In this specific section, we're going to be covering soap, the candle businesses. But again, guys, there are hundreds of different businesses just in the United States alone that you can target. Soap and candle businesses are just a small example. It's a very lucrative example, but it's just a small example out of hundreds, possibly thousands of different types of businesses that you can target. So you're going to approach the soap and candle business. Always make sure that it's a small to medium-sized business because the larger businesses already have teams of people that are doing this. The small to medium-sized businesses have business owners that are tired, stressed, and do not know anything about AI. And this is where you come in. When you contact them, you say, I can do your entire catalog for $300 to $700. This fee right here, this can be anything you want. You can say $100, you can say $1,500, depending on how much money the business makes, depending how much product they have in their catalog. So you can either work for a one-time fee, knock it out for $700, or you can make a deal where they pay you monthly recurring revenue for, let's say, something like $400 a month. So if they're constantly getting a new product, they're making new soaps, they have new variations, you can charge them a monthly recurring revenue of $400, maybe less, maybe more, to have them feed you an unlimited amount of photos. And every month you take their photos, you make cinematic quality videos with Sora 2. So this is just a small example of what's possible with this, guys. If you work for, let's say, 10 businesses, knowing what we know about soap businesses, there's around 500,000 soap businesses just in the United States alone and on Etsy. Knowing that there's 500,000, if only 10 businesses out of this 500,000, well, that's a lot of zeros. If only 10 businesses out of this 500,000 work with you and you charge $500, that's $5,000, guys. That's a full-time business. Like, this is serious money. Can you imagine if 20 work with you? That's 10 grand a month if you charge $500. You can live like a king or a queen on 10,000 in any country in the world. Maybe not in the United States. The United States, 10,000 a month is actually a good salary. But in any country in the world, Colombia, Thailand, Philippines, Argentina, Mexico, Costa Rica, you can live like a king for 2,000 a month, a queen for 3,000 a month. It's crazy, guys. And listen, we can go into geo arbitrage for hours and hours, but you didn't click on this video for that. You clicked on this video to start a business with Sora too. So just as an example, 300 to 700 one-time fee, 400 monthly recurring revenue. And here's how we make the pictures. So whenever the business that we're working with sends us the product image, let's say they send us this image of their homemade lavender soap, and they want us to make a commercial around this. If we feed this image directly into Sora 2, the Sora 2 video generator gets kind of confused because there's a lot of things going on in this specific picture. There's the wooden table, there's the soap bars, there's the lavender, there's the light from the background. There's a lot of things going on. So essentially what we want to do before we feed a product into Sora 2, we want to isolate the main object. We want to isolate the main object from the original picture. In order to do that, we're going to pop on over to NanoBanana at aistudio.google.com. We're going to take the picture that the business sent us, and we're going to give it a prompt like this. Take this soap and only give me one on a white background, like a PNG style. And if you don't know what a PNG style is, it's basically, it gives you a transparent background, but this is not too important. So give it a prompt that isolates the main object like this, and this is what it spit out. Perfect. It isolated the soap bar, put it on a white background, and this is the perfect picture to feed Sora to. So let's do it right now. Now we head on over to Sora and we put in the picture, and here's the prompt that we're going to give it. Sora 2 can work either way. If you give it a full complicated prompt with timestamps, that can work good. Or if that doesn't work, a simple single line text prompt always works the best. So here's what I mean. Put this bar of lavender soap next to an elegant white clawfoot bathtub. Perfect. All right, let's see what it gives us. Look at this commercial it made us. This is absolutely incredible. This came from a single text prompt. Look at this. It's perfect. It's the customer's soap on a bathtub in a luxurious, elegant bathroom. Look at this, guys. How much would this have costed to rent this studio, to put the bathroom, to hire the photographer, to buy the supplies, to buy the candles, the time, to make sure the weather and the sunlight outside are perfect, the editing, the color grading, the time. It's so much money that you have to spend to create a commercial like this. And in less than 2 minutes, Sora 2 did this for next to nothing. It's so powerful, guys. And this technology is brand new. It's already perfect. Can you imagine what it's going to be like in 6 months or a year from now? It's just that the possibilities are endless with this. This is just one small, simple example of how we can start making money, especially with artisanal soap and candle shops. The second most powerful idea to make money with Sora 2 is this. There are so many clothing stores just in the United States alone. This is not even mentioning the whole Western world. Small to medium-sized clothing stores in the United States alone are around 200,000. This is just physical brick and mortar locations. This is not even counting what's online. Now on Etsy alone, and there's thousands of websites that sell clothing. On Etsy alone, there's around 200,000 to 500,000 clothing sellers. Only on Etsy. Can you imagine if only 10 of them wanted to work with you, or 20 of them wanted to work with you, and you charge them $500 a piece? That's a full-time business. And let me show you what I mean. If you have pictures and videos of clothing items that are engaging on the business's social media and their website, this is what makes sales. Because if you're relying solely on your social media and your online business to make sales, you need engaging visuals. So if you have a picture like this of this woman, you have a picture you've made with Nano Banana, and you're using Google VEO3 and Sora 2 to create engaging videos for this, for them to put on their social media, this will increase conversion rate through the roof. They want to see moving images. They want to see videos. They want to be engaged. They want to be able to feel themselves in the dress, to see the woman walking down the street, to just get the feeling of what it's like to wear this dress, or hold this purse, or wear a pair of cargo shorts or khaki pants, or whatever the case may be. People just, they want to get the feeling. Essentially what you're doing is you're approaching small to medium-sized clothing store business in the United States or any other Western country. The reason I say Western countries is because Western countries, the businesses in these countries tend to have way more money than other countries. So if you're working with the clothing store and this is what they send you this picture and they're like, I want a full commercial of a woman modeling this dress, maybe make her Italian in her mid-20s, and just make it elegant, make it luxurious, make the lighting cinematic, so on and so forth. So you take the picture that they sent you, and you're going to enter in a simple prompt like this. Put this dress on an Italian woman model in her late 20s, posing in a photo shoot. Again, guys, this doesn't have to be hard. There's no such thing as a perfect prompt. It's all going to be dependent on what the business wants from you. So if somebody says that they have the perfect prompt for Sora 2 or Nano Banana or Google VEO3, they're probably lying to you. Yes, there's base prompts, but there's no such thing as the perfect prompt. The perfect prompt is going to be in accordance to what the business wants. And let's see what it gives us. How flawless is this? Like, from a single text prompt, all you had to do was upload a picture of the dress. That's all you had to do. Look what it did. How much would this have costed? And I know I keep saying this. Like, how much would this have costed? She is gorgeous. She probably charges $1,000 per hour with a 5-hour minimum. You have to rent the studio and the photographer and the dress and the model, do hair and makeup, do editing, pay for the time, pay for the rental, everything, thousands and thousands. This probably would have costed minimum $10,000 for the photographer, for the studio, for the model, etc., etc. But if you're working with Sora 2, you can make videos like this in as little as 2 minutes, 4 cents on the dollar, guys. How much can you charge for a video like this? I can't even breathe sometimes. It's just so amazing. How much can you charge for a video like this? If you approach a clothing store, a small to medium-sized luxury clothing store brand like this, they sell dresses like this from anywhere from $300 all the way up to $10,000. Now, if they paid you $300 or $500 to make 10 videos of 10 different dresses, they make money and you make money. Guess what? You now have a full-time business. Like, nobody knows that this exists, guys. Yes, there are so many Sora 2 videos on YouTube that are going crazy viral. They're funny videos, they're entertaining videos, but nobody is talking about how to make money with Sora 2. It's 4 a.m. now, as you can probably tell by my face, and I have some exciting news. Many of my viewers have been asking, especially those who took my previous courses on Nano Banana and Google VEO3 and Faceless YouTube, when am I going to release the Sora 2 course? Well, tonight, I'm releasing it. As soon as I hit stop on this video, I'm going to drop the Sora 2 course. It's going to be live, but it's only 50% done. I don't want to wait another month until the whole thing is complete. I want to drop it right now. I want to give this course to as many people as possible. And for your patience and as a gift from me to you, I'm giving you 50% off the course right now. Price is going to double in the next 2 to 3 weeks. But for now, it's 50% off. For those who want the course at 50% completion, the rest is going to be dripped over the next 2 to 3 weeks. And yeah, it's ready. I'm excited. It's here. It's here. And the link is in the description below. Check it out. And yeah, like, comment the video, share, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. I'm going to go get some sleep now. Bye.